Hi guys, good morning once again. Good morning. It's fishing time. Ayan, nandito po ako sa dock. Kasamahan ko andon. Andun sila. Mamaya pa po ang kainan. Kasi tulog pa ang mga iba. Oh, maybe I catch a fish. Wow. Damn it. Naala.
I get the mother duck ribbon and the baby duck ribbon. And the baby duck is not winning. You go this way. That's one of them. I'm going to start here.
At ayan guys, naka-ready kami. In kami agbanid jetting nga. Di bayaw ti kadwak.
Baro ah.
Ito'y iti pagluganan mi. Yan, nakasaka natin kita banitin. Barang adda maala. Nabayaw mapantan.
Lower side.
Na.
Hello.
Kami
Tayo
baniit.
manipadas ti gasat dita
Tinga.
tengtinga ti lake.
Ay, ti papanan mi. Padasen.
Already? Whoa, that's far. We're closer to the boat.
Hello. Dati dagiti fisherman na nagsublidan.
Dr. Ryan Luis.
They're coming. Look. Come here, Luis. Ay. Apo, dadagtayb tayab. Abdabi. Any catch? Awan sa mo nalay, oh. Boy. Ha?
Hi, Daddy.
Hello, Karias.
Pinalusutan nyo amin? Kay malam ako, ma. Bakit kay malam si Kadada? Pulpulos? 0 in the test?
And you got a fish. Wow. And you got a fish. You got a fish. You got a fish. Wait.
Whoa.
Same.
It's a big, big fish. Wow.
Scared me. Daddy, the big fish scared me. Is that a catfish or a dogfish?
It's a dogfish.
Daddy.